Hello, welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. I have got some more boxes because I've got too much stuff here in this box. Now, what is this? Oh, okay, this is stuff from the world of Commodore. It's a complete computer maintenance cleaning kit, which was at one point a beautiful thing. I don't know if this has been opened. Ooh. I don't know what it is. I can see already. It's tight. It's tight. Might have been in there for 40 years. Maybe I need to open the bottom. Push it out. It may be, depending on what I find. Although, of course, the box is sacred. Look, it's essentially a disc box here. Oh yeah, this has been used. So these are discs that have a fabric thing here. And some labels. And some other wifey stuff. So a lot of it is indeed gone. But there's this box. See, it should have had, if it was complete, all this stuff. But it doesn't. So, here is the thing. Do I keep the box, even though there's none of it really left here? Well, there's the disc thing. And the answer is, I think, no. And there's the bag. I think it was Tim who brought this over to me. Aha, and here, the joystick. Okay, this is stuff I took. I've been looking for this bag. I'll put that down there. Because, looky, another video cable. A genuine Commodore video cable. La la la. Okay. So, I need to wrap this up so I can be organized for this box. I'm suspecting eventually I'm going to end up with like 3 boxes. I'm going to now have to sort the boxes. Oh. Oh. And here is a working power supply for Commodore 128, and it is kind of heavy. And of course, very, very tangled. Oh. So here, that's what I've been looking for all week. Okay. Get it. There's just no end to the tangling the cables can be in. Alright, I'm going to set this also down here on this box. I think. Alright, now the rest of this bag are an assortment of sacred cables. Sacred, I say. They are IEEE cables, pet through IEEE cables. And that they need to be tested. I need to get a pen up here. I do this. Yeah, I can put more stuff in here. The disc cleaning thing. But like right now, that's a box that I could hold disc on. I could. All right. Let's see here. There is my magical hat. Oh, I thought I dropped. Oh, yeah. Did I? No, I did not bring. I thought I brought more line cords up. But I guess I didn't. Well, I think this is going to require some sortation. Look, here's a box I've had for like 40 years. All right. Will that fit in? No, it won't fit in here. Okay, fine. I'll use this one to sort. Put video cables and things into this box. Line cords and other such extension cables into this one. I'm getting a little warm in here under the lights. The magic erasers don't need to be right there. They don't. Okay. Line cord. Line cord. Big long extension cable. Oh yeah. There's a bad record going. You have to have that going in there. That's an HDMI cable. Alright. More things. Oh, the sortation is in this. But at least as they're wrapped up. What am I doing? As they're wrapped up, they're not all tangled. Not yet. Oh, not yet. This is the thing. Really didn't get that wrapped up. It's this special little wee monitor. I've got to dig into it. I do. Video. I think it's going to be a whole box of video cables. That's not a bad thing. Oh, yeah. You know, this one, I might not put it in the box. I might put it over there. I know. Doing silly things. There we go. I'm going to sneeze. All right. Power cord. Line cord. Oh my video. Oh. My arms are getting tired from reaching up here. Video. Video and serial. It looks like that. Here's the box. It's going to be. But I would bet there's more. Are there more? Of course there are. More line cords. the box, of course, now not marked as it should be. Okay, that's not terrible. See, this is marked. It's basic now. Everything except for line cords. The line cords are out. The monitor is out. Alright. Let's see. Get everything back in here. Look, it's hurting my shoulder. Oh, golly. Hurting my shoulder. Okay. But at least it's not here. Sort of. Oh, it's funny also, because the other time, last time I was recording, I thought I had everything gathered. There's another wayward cable on the floor. Okay. Okay, so video, serial, stuff, box. Dropped one down here. I did. Now I know I will find more and more. Line cords. Okay. Well, that's good. What do we have? So this is empty. And this is weird. Strange cables. Okay. Well, there. Oh. Now, of course, this box is still kind of overflowing a bit. But not bad. There. Cat hair. Okay. Okay. Now, I don't want that's empty. I don't want things to get cluttered. Look at this. IEEE. Beautiful. Already marked. I'll put stuff in there. And then that's good. Alright. Cheers. I wish at this moment I had something handy to do. And here's something else. Look, it's a Commodore 64 power supply. It's dead. Put the wires off. I think I'm going to put that in the World of Commodore box for next year as well. Oh, and here. Yes, here is another serial cable that ended up not quite making it in the box. Which, of course, it's difficult to get into. But I will get into it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Alright. More sorting. More sorting. Oh, the other thing I could do is I could just give this 64 power supply update, it was reading at 5.2. Oh, now it's 5.24. Still, I believe, well within acceptable parameters. I will unplug it because it really doesn't need to be in there. And still, I gotta get a 64 here. Hook up to the monitor so I can test it. That's what I gotta do. And this monitor, beautiful thing, with various inputs. I think I will plug this in. When I first plugged it in, it did squirrely things. Oh. Nothing is coming up on this. Maybe I have now. Alright, I'm also in a weird plug on this thing. I'm gonna try another plug here. A real plug. Oh, this is lit up. This, I remember I had to reset it or do something. Oh, it's just a regular line cord. And it may be. Oh. Ooh. Marshall Electronics. There it is. It's a beautiful thing. Now, I guess it would have a way at some point. There might have been a variety of mounts, but I don't see any mounts at this moment. But it looks like it has places. Oh, I see. It could be mounted just on a regular tripod thing. Ooh, that's snazzy. This has power. So I'll turn it on again. Okay, it does have a thing up here. Off. Battery. Oh, there's a battery. Oh. You know, that's kind of weird stuff. It did. The first time I turned it on. Anyway, lovely little goober. So I'm going to turn it off. Turn it off. To the battery, which would be, see, when you're doing filming and stuff remotely and such, you need things that will do things remotely. You can be off in the middle of the woods. I think I'm just going to stick this on top of this Commodore 64 here. I think. Alright, well, we are getting there, but we're not there. Still much more to sort, still much more to go through. Still, I've got a couple of monitors and a couple of pets in the car, and 8023P. That's the printer. And yeah, but I want to get the car cleared out today, so I'm going to do my best to try and do that. I have the screen brightness down maybe a little bit too much, so I really can't see. I mean, I can see myself kind of, but I don't think I picked a remarkable frame. Anyway, all right, I'm going to carry on. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.